Welcome back to the car update. The 2026 Toyota luxury SUV represents a completely new direction for Toyota's premium lineup. This is not just another SUV update or a simple facelift. It feels like Toyota is trying to step into the ultra-luxury world where comfort, silence, and presence matter more than aggression or speed. From the very first look, the vehicle gives off a strong executive vibe, almost like a moving private lounge rather than a traditional SUV. When you see the front design, the first thing that catches your attention is the massive grille. It's bold but still refined, with a clean geometric pattern that gives it a futuristic luxury identity. The LED headlights are slim, sharp, and perfectly aligned with the grille, creating a very wide and confident face. The daytime running lights stretch outward, making the SUV look even larger than it actually is. Toyota has clearly focused on road presence here because this SUV does not try to hide. It wants to be noticed, but in a classy way. Moving along the side profile, the design becomes more elegant and smooth. The body lines are not aggressive. Instead, they are soft and flowing, giving a limousine-like appearance. The long wheelbase immediately tells you that interior space is a top priority. Large alloy wheels, chrome detailing around the windows, and a slightly floating roof design all work together to create a premium executive look. It feels like a mix between a luxury SUV and a high-end chauffeur vehicle. At the rear, the design continues the same philosophy. The taillights are slim and stretched, connected with a clean design line that enhances width. The rear bumper is minimal, not overly styled, but still strong enough to maintain a luxury identity. Everything is balanced and calm, which is exactly what Toyota is aiming for in this flagship SUV. Now, stepping inside is where the real transformation begins. The interior feels completely different from normal Toyota SUVs. The first impression is silence and space. High-quality soft leather is used everywhere, combined with wood trim and brushed metal accents. The dashboard is wide and clean, dominated by a large digital display that handles both infotainment and vehicle controls. The driver's seat is extremely comfortable, but the real focus is on the rear seats. This SUV is clearly designed for passengers who prefer to be driven rather than drive themselves. The rear seats are fully reclinable, almost like first-class airline seats. They come with leg support, massage functions, heating, and cooling. There is also an advanced climate control system specifically for rear passengers, allowing personalized comfort settings. One of the most impressive features is the privacy system. The rear windows can dim electronically, turning from clear glass into frosted privacy glass at the push of a button. This instantly transforms the cabin into a private space, perfect for executives or VIP users. Ambient lighting runs throughout the interior, giving a calm and relaxing atmosphere during night driving. Technology inside this SUV is also very advanced. A premium sound system surrounds the cabin with high-quality audio. Multiple screens are available for rear passengers, allowing entertainment, navigation control, and even seat adjustment. The infotainment system is fully connected, supporting voice control, smartphone integration, and real-time driving data. On the performance side, the 2026 Toyota luxury SUV is expected to use a hybrid powertrain. Toyota is focusing on combining smooth power delivery with fuel efficiency. Instead of raw, aggressive acceleration, the goal is silent and stable driving. The hybrid system allows the SUV to switch between electric and petrol power smoothly, making the ride almost unnoticeable in transitions. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road bumps in a very refined way. Driving this SUV feels more like gliding than accelerating. Even at higher speeds, cabin noise remains extremely low. Toyota has clearly worked on insulation and vibration control, to maintain a peaceful environment inside. Now talking about safety and driving assistance, this SUV comes packed with modern systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision detection, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking features are all expected. The idea is to reduce driver stress as much as possible, especially in city traffic. One of the most interesting things about this SUV is its positioning. It is not trying to compete with sporty luxury SUVs. Instead, it is targeting comfort-focused luxury buyers, similar to what we see in ultra-premium brands like Rolls-Royce or Bentley, but in a more practical Toyota way. This makes it unique because it blends Japanese reliability with high-end luxury comfort. Now coming to the price, the 2026 Toyota luxury SUV is expected to sit in the premium segment. Depending on the variant and market,